Hey, did you know that we have lights? Really? What are they? Well, for example, we have the black, sweet one. Also have the white special. The right to food. The right to love. The right to a name and nationality. The right to record. The right to a home. The right to play and be a child. The right to a family. Right to an education. Wow, that's great that we have all these traits. It's important we know them. Love your right!